Question 19, we've got to find a mistake of the plot of y is equal to 3 to the x, which this line is supposed to represent. So let's see if we can find that mistake. If x is equal to 4, 3 to the power 4, y is equal to 81. So this is correct. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 27. And yes, that is correct. X is equal to 2. So y is equal to 9. So this is correct. And lastly, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Yes, that is correct. But there's the mistake. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So I can say that the graph should go through 0, 1 rather than the origin 0, 0. And that's your answer.